Welcome back to Cars Point. Today, we have something truly exciting, the 2025 Acura Integra Type S. This high-performance luxury sedan takes everything great about the Integra and pushes it to the next level. From its bold exterior to its tech-filled interior and impressive performance, this car is built for enthusiasts who want style, power, and comfort in one package. The first thing that grabs your attention is the aggressive styling. The Integra Type S comes with a wider stance and a more muscular body compared to the standard model. The front features a large diamond pentagon grille with an open design for better cooling, flanked by sharp jewel-eye LED headlights that give it a futuristic look. The sculpted hood has functional vents, adding both aesthetics and performance benefits. Moving to the sides, the flared fenders house lightweight 19-inch alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance tires, giving it an aggressive road presence. The aerodynamic side skirts and blacked-out mirror caps add a sporty touch. At the rear, the triple exhaust outlets sit perfectly below the sporty diffuser, providing a deep and throaty sound. The taillights have a sleek, modern LED design, and the trunk features a subtle yet effective lip spoiler to enhance downforce. Everything about this exterior screams performance and precision engineering. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cockpit designed for both comfort and driving excitement. The cabin is wrapped in premium materials, including soft-touch leather and Alcantara with contrast stitching. The sports seats are well bolstered, providing excellent support during aggressive driving while still being comfortable for long journeys. The digital gauge cluster is fully customizable, displaying key performance metrics like boost pressure and G-force in real time. The infotainment system features a 9-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a premium L Studio 3D sound system that delivers crystal-clear audio. The flat-bottom steering wheel, carbon fiber trims, and ambient lighting add to the high-performance feel. There's also a drive mode selector that allows you to adjust the suspension, throttle response, and steering weight to match your driving style. Under the hood, the 2025 Acura Integra Type S is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine borrowed from the Honda Civic Type R, but tuned for a more refined yet exhilarating drive. It produces 320 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, sent to the front wheels through a 6-speed manual transmission with rev-matching technology. The lightweight chassis and adaptive suspension system ensure razor-sharp handling, while the limited slip differential provides excellent cornering grip. The acceleration is impressive, with a 0 to 60 mph time of around 5.2 seconds. The triple exhaust system not only looks great but also delivers an aggressive exhaust note that enhances the driving experience. The Brembo Performance brakes offer strong stopping power, making this car as capable on the track as it is on city roads. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Acura Integra Type S starts at around $51,000, making it a premium option in the sport compact segment. With its blend of high-end features, sharp handling, and everyday usability, it's positioned as a strong competitor to cars like the BMW M235i Gran Coupe and Audi S3. Optional packages, including carbon fiber exterior accents and upgraded interior materials, can push the price closer to $55,000. But even at its base price, the Type S offers incredible value for those looking for a stylish and powerful luxury sports sedan. The 2025 Acura Integra Type S is the perfect blend of performance, technology, and style. Whether you're looking for a thrilling weekend car, or a daily driver with a sporty edge, this car delivers on all fronts. With its aggressive design, track-ready performance, and refined interior, it sets a new standard for the Integra nameplate. Let us know in the comments what you think about this car. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cars Point for more in-depth car reviews.